Tracking an expense is simple with TaxBot. Simply open up your app and tap Add Expense or Appointment. First, pick your expense category by tapping on the first field. TaxBot comes pre-filled with the most common deduction categories. However, you can add new categories by clicking on the Options button on your phone. This is the far left button for most Droids with the squares on it. On this screen, you can add new categories. Add an appointment category if your expense includes a client, like a meal or an entertainment expense. Add a general category if it's something generic like office supplies. Let's add the category called Magazines. You can see that it now shows up in my list of categories. But for this example, let's choose a meal with a client. I select Meal, and now I simply fill out the expense fields. Make sure you put in a good purpose. It's very critical. Let's use the example of a sales call. How much? It was $35. Where? We ate at Chili's. The when is already filled out for me. Who? If I have the person's contact information in my phone, I can simply select the plus button and pick them from my phone book. Or in this case, I don't have anyone in my phone book, so I'll just tap the field and type in the client's name, John Doe. If I have a receipt, I can attach a picture of it by tapping the Attach Receipt button. This will open up the camera. Now I'm using a simulator right now, but if this was a real phone, I would be able to take a picture here and then see a preview of the receipt. When done, I would tap Save, and I would see a check mark indicating that the receipt had properly been attached. You can also tag a trip to this expense if you've already input it into the phone. To do so, just tap the Attach Trip button and you will see a list of your recent trips. Go ahead and tag them together. Now click Save and your expense is bulletproof and has been sent to the cloud. To make sure it has been synced, press the Options button from the home screen and click Sync Now. Does your current tax deduction system do that? Be sure to watch our video on tracking your business mileage.